Hey man, your mother flipping boy is back, and today this is a very weird, actually not weird, it's gonna be a freaking awesome video. I never did this before on my channel. This is basically a muffler and resonator delete. I'm just gonna do it before and after, just like what I think about the car and how it sounds. Right now I'm about to shoot some stock, like fully stock, like revs and shit. Then after I'm do some resonator and muffler delete sound clips. So hope you guys like the video. 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. Let's do it. Peace out. Alright, what's good YouTube? We in the whip. 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. Check it out. This is the interior. We got the regular dash. We got the Sync 3 leather, heating, cooling. Not bad, right? I like it a lot so far. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little outside walk around. Let's do it. Also, we got the window tint, 20%, and then 5 in the back. Here it is. What do y'all think? 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. This thing's nasty mean. Got the 19-inch rims. No stock rims. I wish I had the Brembo brakes or one of the higher end ones, but got that. Mustang along the side. Mustang. We got the chrome on the sides. And you got this here. And then again, this is the pony package. We got this. What else? And yeah. Alright, let's do a little revs. Here we go. Holy shit. Down here it sounds pretty good. This is fully stock right now. Fully stock, warm start. It sounds good back here, but inside, it sounds alright, but far away does not. Alright, this is gonna be 2,000. $3,500. 5,000. There y'all go. Be at about 2,000, 3,500 and max out. So all the way to like 5,500. Yep, so it's not too loud. But then after this, I'm gonna go ahead and get the resonator and muffler delete sound clips. Let's do it. All right, here is the aftermarket exhaust tips that I got. Here we go. They're from Netami. They're about 40 bucks for 2 of them online from Amazon.com. Here we go. Exhaust tips. These are actually pretty dang nice. Look at that. It's a 2.5-inch inlet or outlet, whatever the hell. They got the clamp right here. And yeah, Netami chrome. I got the chrome one, so it goes with the pony package. The chrome in front, chrome on the sides, and the wheels. So yeah, chrome in red and then black windows. I think it looks pretty good. Yep, these are big thumbs up, man. I like them a lot. What's good, YouTube? It is now the next morning of the resonator and muffler delete. This thing sounds awesome in person. I don't know if it is gonna do its justice through the video. That's what I heard it doesn't, but I mean for a fact I know it doesn't. Whew, man, but this car sounds awesome, man. Big thumbs up. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was gonna be like high pitched and stupid sounding. This sounds pretty damn good, low key, and it pops too at high revs. So let's go show y'all some revs and some drive-bys. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Let's do a quick little, not really a fully cold start, but like a middle, like sort of warm. I was planning on doing a cold one, but my dad ended up moving the car this morning out of the driveway, so let's do it. Right here. All right, boys, let's do it. Remote start. This thing is fucking loud. Oh my god, you guys. This thing's oh my god. Hey, you too, man. Muffler Resonator delete. Motherfucker loud. Loud. Alright, I'll do the pops after. Yeah.
Shoot, wait. No, wait. Hold on.
You're good.
Alright. Sure there's no cops, yo. Hold on.
You're good. You're good. Man, what you think about the whip, man?
It's a good whip, nice whip. I like the sound, man.
Hold on. Time out. What do you think of the whip, brother? It's fogging up. You wanna rev it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. This thing's loud.
Ready?
Yep. Holy shit, that's ear piercing. Yeah, chill. Chill. It's so loud, dude. Hold on.
What?
Alright, you're good. Wait.
That's my neighbor.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're going here. You're revving it? Shit. Careful. Oh, I thought that was a cop. Alright, go. Alright, brother. Holy shit, man. This thing is so loud. Alright, brother. Peace out, man. Here's the aftermath for this loud ass car. Damn, some dirt in there. We got the muffler. Hold on. We got the both mufflers right here. Resonator. These things are heavy as hell, man. I mean, these things feel like probably 40 pounds. And it's probably saving about 40 pounds. Yeah. Probably even more, man. These things are very, very heavy. So, it's awesome. Definitely thumbs up on the project.
Let's go terrestrial.